Good morning, children. This is our science online class. The last class we have learned about plants, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process which plants make their food using chlorophyll water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. That is called as photosynthesis. Today we are going to learn about classification of plants. Plants are classified in many ways based on stems, lifespan, seeds, flower and color. In this session, we will study about the classification of plants based on the flower and color. That means pigment. First, we will see flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering is the most important part of many plants because it is involved in reproduction. But some of the plants are not having flower. These plants are also reproduced in different modes. Based on this, plants can be classified into two types: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. Plants bearing flowers are called flowering plants. It reproduces by sex cells or gametes and produce seeds. Seeds produce new plants. Examples: mango tree, neem tree, groundnut and paddy. These are the flowering plants. Next one, non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants means without flower that can be reproduced are called non-flowering plants. These plants do not produce seed. They are produced by the special structure called spores. Examples, children: algae, fungi and ferns. So these are the examples of non-flowering plants. Next one, green and non-green plants. The most important pigment present in plants are called, already we learned in the last class, what is the green pigment present in the plants, that means leaves, called chlorophyll. Yes. Based on the color present in the plant, they are divided into two groups such as green and non-green plants. Green plants. Plants containing green pigments are called green plants. It looks green in color. They prepare their own food with the help of them. It depends atmosphere, light and pigments for food preparation. Green plants are commonly called autotrophs. Examples of green plants: grass, paddy and algae. Next one, non-green plants. Plants that lacks chlorophyll pigments and looks not green are called non-green plants. They cannot prepare their food. These plants depend on other organisms for their food living place. These are commonly called heterotrophs. Example, children: mushroom, bread moths, packet fungi. So these are the examples of non-green plants. Next topic, children, parts of a flower. Flower has four parts. First one, sepal, second petal, third stamen and fourth pistil. Sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. The next parts, petal. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is attract insects such as bees or butterfly to the flower. The insects help the flower in the transfer of pollen grains. Stamen. Stamen can be seen at the center of the flower. They contain pollen grains that help the plants to multiply. It is the male parts of a flower. The last part, pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower become the fruit, it is a female part of the flower. Which one is the female part of the flower? Pistil. Yes. Okay, children. In this class, we have learned about classification of plants, flowering plants, non-flowering plants, green and non-green plants, and different parts of a flower. Okay, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.